Hi, I'm Ingrid Milošev, Associate Editor of the Corrosion Journal. I'm pleased to introduce the paper published in October issue on ultra-hydrophobic epoxy coatings deposited on carbon steel. This study is the product of collaboration between Hefei University and College of Life Science in Hefei, China. We know that epoxy coatings are widely used as corrosion protection on carbon steel due to advantages of easy fabrication, low cost, and excellent mechanical strength. To further improve their corrosion resistance, different fillers can be added, such as silica. However, silica is hydrophilic, and this study intended to produce hydrophobic silica. The reasoning behind this idea is to produce an ultra-hydrophobic coating. So why is that important? Super or ultra-hydrophobic surfaces with a contact angle above 150 degrees bounce the liquid drops, preventing the corrosive electrolyte from remaining at the surface. The authors first modify silica nanoparticles with PDMS or polydimethylsiloxane, which has low surface energy. These hydrophobic particles were then added in different concentrations to epoxy-based solution and deposited on carbon steel. Selected coatings showed good corrosion resistance during 50 days of immersion in chloride solution and were ultra-hydrophobic with beneficial properties such as self-cleaning. Namely, when immersed in slurry, the coatings remain clean. I will demonstrate this with similar super hydrophobic coatings. So this is bare alloy and this is super hydrophobic coated. This study shows how surface modification can increase corrosion resistance and add new functional properties which may be very useful in everyday life. I hope you will enjoy reading this paper.